Hi friends, welcome again. This is the next episode of wireless calculator on breadboard. We have got idea what keypad matrix is. For now, this is useless for us because we are using remote keys. This is the RC5 protocol base remote control, and there are the numbers 0 to 9 which we are using for 0 to 9, and the color keys red, green, yellow, blue we are using for plus, minus, addition and subtraction. OK key we are using for equal, and that on off button we are going to use for clear. Now you can see as we are pressing the number keys that numbers are appearing on the LCD screen. Let's zoom in so that we can see it clearly. LCD screen resolution is depend upon the potentiometer value which we have attached on the pin number 2 of this LCD screen. This is 16-bit unsigned number calculator. Right now we are performing division operation. Here is the number 65,533 divided by 3. 3 division sign just because we press it 3 times, unfortunately. No problem, it is not going to affect our result. This is the example of subtraction. 46,444 minus, we have pressed it again by mistake, and 22,211. So answer is 24,233. We are going to troubleshoot this problem before end of this video. When we hold this remote control in front of the IR receiver, it works fine. You can see this. Let's perform the addition of number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Our answer will be 55,555. Let's move to our assembly programming. We know about the keypad matrix, LCD initialization, and the other microcontroller detail. Similarities between keypad matrix, which is wired to the microcontroller, and remote keys is the continuous scanning of keys. In our last video, we have seen continuous scanning of remote keys with the help of interrupt. We have already seen that how our microcontrollers read the value of timer and generate the pattern of key which we press. It is very easy and simple assembly programming for our wireless breadboard calculator. With the help of an example, we can better understand our coding for wireless calculator. As soon as we press a key on the remote, the external hardware interrupt immediately occurred and microcontroller jumped to that location. When we entered into the interrupt subroutine of external hardware interrupt, the timer start immediately. If we press the key 1, the microcontroller read the value of timer and give us the similar pattern to that key 1. Then we convert this pattern into the ASCII and send it to our LCD. This thing will happen for every key on the remote. Rest of the part of the programming is the same as we have seen already in our last videos. There is nothing difficult to understand about this code, and one can easily make such wireless calculator. Thank you very much.